Hey everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I own Choice Tax Relief. One of the things we provide as a service is helping folks who have not filed taxes in several years discreetly get back into filing compliance with the IRS in their state. I made a video about this recently, what to do if you haven't filed taxes in 20 years. Jack Daniels comments, hey, you got away with it for 20 years, don't deal with it, don't pay it. You got away with it for this long. Why stir the pot? And, Jack, at its face, this kind of makes sense. And to be honest, it may pan out this way for some people, right? These are typically people who are kind of off the grid. They don't really have much income reported to them on a 1099 or a W-2 or some, tax form like that. You could possibly get away with it. But for most people, in society today, the way they make money is through some above the table form of employment or payment as an independent contractor or something like this, right? As an employee, you get a W-2, as an independent contractor, a 1099 or some other form. And it's becoming increasingly impossible to, be completely off the grid when it comes to the IRS. Now, the reason why so many people have kind of gotten away with not filing taxes recently is because the IRS's SFR program, it's called the ASFR, the Automated SFR program. That's the program that basically the IRS does tax returns for you if you haven't filed. It was actually shut down between 2015 and 2019. They shut it down during that period. Then they reopened it. Oh, and then what happened after 2019? We had COVID, right? And a lot of functions at the IRS were shut down. So it's really, frankly, not since really the past couple of years here that the IRS has been doing these SFRs again for people. And I'm going to make a longer video about this, but my theory is if the administration continues to gut the IRS, which it seems heck bent on doing, I think what we're going to see less of is the labor-intensive audits, right? Where an auditor has to go in there and look at all the expenses on the return, compare them to the company's books and the bank statements. That's very labor-intensive, right? I think a lot of the very labor-intensive tasks at the IRS are going to be going away if they're, putting more heads on the chopping block at the IRS. And what we're going to see more of is automated functions at the IRS, less labor-intensive. And one of the most automated things at the IRS, and it's in the name, as I just said, is the Automated Substitute for Return program. It's not hard for the IRS to basically look at all the 1099s you were issued and then calculate tax return based on that figure, right? And then what does it do after it calculates that tax return? It assesses the tax, and where does it send your account? Oh, it sends you to ACS, the IRS's automated collection system, okay? Really, unfiled returns are the lowest hanging fruit. It's a thing that can be automated the most at the IRS, both in calculating the liability through ASFR and through collecting the liability through ACS, that if we continue to see the administration kind of shave down and gut the IRS, I think these are the things that the IRS is going to be, investing more in. These automated, non-labor intensive systems that basically just, it's the return is so high on this stuff because there's very little payroll associated, right? It's just some tech costs, right? I mean, sure, they're dealing with a lot of data. I don't want to, say it's, only costs a couple bucks, but the return on these systems are historically been very high. And I think that is probably the future. And kind of, if there are more cuts at the IRS, what we're going to see more from the IRS is, these SFRs and things like that. Even for people that have gotten away with it in recent memory, because ASFR was shut down from 15 to 19, and then COVID happened, and now it's back up and running again. So that's my 2 cents. Jack Daniels, feel free to disagree. Another thing I want to say is it's better to come clean with the IRS than to wait for them to catch you, okay? Because when the IRS has started that SFR process against you, those returns, when you actually file them, they have to be sent to like a special location where they're more highly scrutinized, okay, than like a typical tax return that you file before they quote unquote catch you in the SFR process. So just throwing that out there as well. Again, I'm going to create a video here in the near future about where I think the IRS is going to be going and focusing on in kind of this new world, this new administration we found ourselves in. So stay tuned for that. If you have unfiled returns, I have other videos for you to consume and educate yourself on how you should approach it. Those videos are at the side of the screen. And if you do have multiple years of unfiled tax returns, you do qualify for a free consultation with us at Choice Tax Relief. Give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.